Hi students, good morning. Continuation part 13 onwards we have started previous CET questions. So, previous CET questions which are very important, you focus these questions compulsory, everybody student. Okay? Right. Yesterday up to previous class we have discussed, I think up to 44 we have discussed. Now the question number 45 CET, previous CET, it was asked CET 2014, integration of sin 2x by sin square x plus 2 cos square x dx. Sin square x plus 2 cos square x dx. Right? Sin 2x by, this is we can write cos square x plus cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1 plus cos square x. This derivative, one derivative is 0 plus cos square x derivative is 2 cos x into minus sin x, that is equal to minus sin 2x multiplied by minus, there is no minus here. So, the denominator derivative is here. So, minus log of 1 plus cos square x plus c. 46, integration of sin square x by 1 plus cos x dx. Sin square x we can write 1 minus cos square x by 1 plus cos x dx. It was asked 2015. This is a square minus b square, 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. This get cancelled, 1 integration x minus cos x integration sin x plus c. Next 47, e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. E power x 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Sin x equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 dx. Integration of e power x 1 by 2 cos square x by 2 equal to secant square x by 2. 2 get cancelled, cos get cancelled, tan x by 2. The tan x by 2 differentiation is this is. So, the answer is e power x into tan x by 2 plus c. Next 48 question number, integration dx by x square x power 4 plus 1 whole power 3 by 4. It was asked CET 2015 and this is from JEE, they have copied, and it is also exemplar question. In this case we have take x power 4 common, dx by x square. When you take x power 4 common, we will get 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 3 by 4. Dx by x square, x power 4 get cancelled, x cube into 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 3 by 4. Integration 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power minus 3 by 4 into 1 by x power 5 dx. This is the f of x whole raised to n. Let me verify this derivative is there or not. One derivative is 0, 1 by x power 4 derivative is minus 4 by x power 5. So, minus 4 not there here, multiply by minus 4, minus 4. Then this derivative is here, which is in the form of f of x whole raised to n into f dash x dx equal to f of x 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power n plus 1 minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by minus 3 by 4 plus 1 plus c. Simplify here. Okay, 1 by 4 by 1 by 4. You get cancel here. Okay, minus, answer is minus of 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 1 by 4. Next 49, it was 2016 question, e power 6 log x minus e power 5 log x divided by e power 4 log x minus e power 3 log x dx. E power 6 log x, this can be written as like this, e power log of x power 6, e power log of x power 5 by e power log of x power 4, e power log of x cube dx. E power log of x power 6 equal to x power 6, here base is e, x power 5 by x power 4 x cube dx. What is the common here? X square take common, x power 4 minus x cube by x power 4 minus x cube dx. This is get cancelled. Integration of x square dx is x cube by 3 plus c. 50, e power x square tan inverse x plus tan inverse x plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Okay, this model very important. See, x square tan inverse x plus tan inverse x, okay, 1 by 1 plus x square. This is in this x square plus 1, tan inverse x take common here, x square plus 1 into tan inverse x plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Correct? Here by x square plus 1. This is take common here, split, get cancelled. E power x tan inverse x plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. This derivative is here. So, answer is e power x into tan inverse x plus c. Next 51, integration e power x into 1 plus x dx by cos square e power x into x. This is already we have discussed this. Let this is equal to t. Let x into e power x equal to t. X e power x derivative is e power x x derivative is 1 with respect of x is dx equal to dt. E power x take common here, x plus 1 dx equal to dt. This is dt by cos square t, which is equal to secant square t dt. Secant square t integration tan t plus c, tan of t, t is x into e power x plus c. Next, example problems. Exemplar problems. After that, I will discuss the previous JEE questions. Integration e power x into cos x minus sin x dx. This is also very important, and especially this year, most of the questions they will ask from example problems. Okay, these are very important, these type of questions. E power x, cos x derivative is minus sin x, the answer is e power x into cos x plus c. Next, second question is dx by sin square x into cos square x. Okay, in place of 1 write sin square x plus cos square x by sin square x into cos square x dx. By splitting here 1 by cos square x secant square x, cos square x get cancelled, cosec square x. Secant square x integration tan x, cosec square x integration minus cot x plus c. Next, integration of 3 into e power x minus 5 into e power minus x, 4 into e power x plus 5 into e power minus x equal to a x plus b into log of 4 into e power x plus 5 into e power minus x plus c. Right? A b we should find. A b, right? Okay. This is numerator 3 into e power x minus 5 into e power minus x equal to a. To get this, denominator same if their numerator denominator cancel. 4 into e power x plus 5 into e power minus x, b into this derivative log of derivative 4 into e power x derivative is 4 e power x minus 5 e power minus x. So, this is already given answer, let us find a and b. By equating we will get a and b value. This is small b, this small a. Yes, tell me e power x coefficient here 4a here plus 4b equal to 3. E power minus x coefficient is 5a minus 5b equal to minus 5. By solving we will get a and b. Or options are there, just verify here, substitute here, which is satisfied, that option is correct. Understood? Third option is options here given here. One of the option is a equal to minus 1 by 8 and b is equal to minus 7 by 8. This is the correct. Put a is equal to minus 1 by 8, minus 1 by 2, b is minus 24 by 8 means minus 1 by 8, b is minus 7 by 8 cancel minus 7 by 2. Yes, minus 1 minus 1 minus 8 minus 6 plus here 6 by 2 is 3 satisfied. Like this you verify which is satisfied, that option is right, both equations. Next, integration of cos 2x minus cos 2 theta by cos x minus cos theta d theta. Right? Cos 2x, you make it this formula, cos 2x formula 2 cos square x minus 1, cos 2 theta 2 cos square theta minus 1 minus minus plus 1 by cos x minus cos theta. You get cancel. Dx or dt, dx. Okay, this get cancelled. 2 take common here. Cos square x minus cos square theta equal to cos x minus cos theta, cos x plus cos theta by cos x minus cos theta into dt, dx. This get cancelled. 2 integration of cos x is sin x plus cos theta integration with respect of x, x cos theta. Okay, it is a constant, it is with respect of x, theta is constant. Next, fifth question, integration of dx by sine of x minus a into sine of x minus b. This type of question already it was asked. By seeing the option, we can identify constant here a and b, multiply by sine of a minus b or b minus a, 1 by sine of b minus a, sine of b minus a. Why should multiply by this? Because we need this type of form in numerator, sine of x minus b dx. Add plus x and minus x here, plus x and minus x. So, this is the x minus a and minus take common x minus b, 1 by sine of b minus a, integration of sine of x minus a minus take common x minus b dx by sine of x minus a into sine of x minus b. Sine a minus b, sine a into cos b minus cos a into sine b. 1 by sine of b minus a, sine a x minus a, cos b cos of x minus b minus cos of x minus a into sine of x minus b divided by sine of x minus a into sine of x minus b dx. Yes, by splitting this by this get cancelled, cos x minus b by sin x minus b equal cot x minus b. Cot of x minus b integration is log of x minus b, right, minus this get cancelled, cos x minus a by sin x minus a equal to cot x minus a b integration log of x minus, this is cot x integration log of sine, this denominator derivative is there, log of sine of x minus a minus log of sine of x minus b. Here x minus b, here x minus a. Finish. Log m minus log n, log of m by n. 1 by sine of b minus a log of sine of x minus b by sine of x minus a plus c. Next, integration of tan inverse root x dx. Let x is equal to t square, dx is equal to 2t into dt. Integration of tan inverse t, okay, and dx is equal to 2 into t dt. This is UV method by parts. Okay, is the inverse trigonometric function, first priority. This is algebra, second one. Okay, tan inverse t, integration of t dt minus derivative of tan inverse t, 1 by 1 plus t square, integration of t square by 2 dt. Okay, 2 into tan inverse of t, integration of t square by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 plus t square. Here t square is there, 1 plus t square, okay, and minus 1, because improper this is, add plus 1 and minus 1. So, 2 into tan inverse of t into t square by 2 minus 1 by 2, this is by this 1 minus 1 by 1 plus t square dt, finish. Okay, 2 into tan inverse of t means root x, t square is x by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 dt t means root x minus minus plus or minus 1 by 1 plus t square is tan inverse of t. T is equal to root x plus c. Next, important, this is e power x integration 1 minus x by 1 plus x square whole square dx. E power x a minus b whole square 1 plus x square minus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square dx. E power x, this by this 1 by 1 plus x square minus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square dx. This derivative is here. So, answer is f of x this is, and this is f dash x. So, answer is e power x into 1 by 1 plus x square plus c. Next, question number 8, integration of x power 9 by 4x square plus 1 whole power 6, which is important for CET as well as JEE, both. Okay. Here x power 9 is there. In this case, what to do? We have to take common x square out. Integration of x power 9, x square take common out. When you take x square common here, 4 plus 1 by x square whole power 6. X power 9 dx, x square whole power 6, x power 12, 4 plus 1 by x square whole power 6. X power 9 by x power 12 is 1 by x cube. So, this is take up 4 plus 1 by x square whole power minus 6. This is equal to 1 by x cube dx. Already previous CET we have discussed this. This derivative is here. Let this is f of x whole power n. Okay, 4 derivative is 0, 1 by x square derivative is minus 2 by x cube. There is no minus 2 here, multiply by minus 2 here. Okay, right, minus 1 by 2 f of x whole power n into f dash x dx formula, f of x whole power n plus 1 minus 5 by minus 5 plus 1 plus this. So, 1 by 10 will get. Understood? Next, 9th is partial fraction that you can try yourself. This is dx by x plus 2 into x square plus 1 dx. This try yourself. 10th question is integration of x cube by x plus 1 dx. Okay, this is a good question. Which are, what is that fraction is improper. If it is improper, make it first proper. To make the proper, what to do? Okay, division method, right? Or you can use also plus 1 and minus 1, x cube plus 1 cube minus 1 cube by x plus 1. Add plus 1 and minus 1. A cube plus b cube formula, a plus b into a square minus ab plus 1. Okay, by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 dx. This get cancelled. X square integration x cube by 3 minus x square by 2 plus x minus log of x plus 1 plus c. Eleventh one, integration of x plus sin x by 1 plus cos x. Right? X plus sin x by 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Okay. Splitting here 1 by 2 x into secant square x by 2 plus integration dx. Integration of sin x, you write off angle 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 okay, by 2 cos square x by 2 dx. This get cancelled, this get cancelled, tan x by 2. Okay. So, 1 by 2, this how to solve? uv. You can use shortcut or direct we can find. X is the u, secant square x by 2 integration tan x by 2 by 1 by 2 minus integration of derivative of x is 1 into tan of x by 2 by 1 by 2 means 2, right, plus integration of tan x by 2 dx, right. This get cancelled. So, minus integration of tan x by 2 plus integration of tan x by 2 cancel. This is and this get cancelled, comes up answer is x into tan x by 2. When you multiply by 2 1 by 2 to this and this we should multiply. Okay. Important that. Next, integration of x cube dx by root of 1 plus x square equal a into 1 plus x square whole power 3 by 2 plus b into root of 1 plus x square plus c. Just let 1 plus x square equal to t square, we will get it. 2x dx equal to 2t dt. Okay, right. Substitute here integration of x square x cube x dx, x into x square x cube by root of 1 plus x square equal to t, right. X square equal to t square minus 1, this is equal t square minus 1, x dx equal to t dt by t get cancelled, t square integration t cube by 3 minus t plus c, finish. What is the t? Square root of 1 plus x square whole cube by 3 square root of 1 plus x square plus c. Compare with this, what is the a? 1 by 3. What is the b? Minus 1. Okay. These exemplar problems for CET exemplar book, if you prepare thoroughly single answers questions, which is very useful for CET. Out of 60 question, maximum 45 to 50 they will ask from the exemplar model only. Okay. So far we have discussed exemplar problems. Next we will discuss the JEE questions, previous AEEE questions. Srinivas?